Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make paper dachii. This classic game from Squid Game is surprisingly simple to craft with just a few basic materials. You'll need 2 square sheets of paper, ideally 6 by 6 inches or larger, and a flat surface to work on. Picking 2 distinct colors will make your dachii visually pop and easier to distinguish during gameplay. Let's get started on this fun and engaging craft. Now let's prepare our base shapes. Take 1 square and fold it in half, then unfold to create a clear center crease. Next, fold both the top and bottom edges inward, aligning them perfectly with that center crease. This will give you a neat, elongated rectangle. Do this for both of your paper squares. Precision in these initial folds is key for a well-formed dachii, so take your time and make crisp creases. With both rectangles ready, it's time to interlock them. Lay one rectangle horizontally and place the other vertically on top, creating a cross shape. Now, take the top flap of the horizontal piece and fold it down over the vertical piece. Do the same with the bottom flap, folding it up. Then, fold the left flap of the vertical piece over. Finally, fold the right flap of the vertical piece over and carefully tuck its end into the pocket formed by the previous folds. This secures your dachii. Congratulations, your paper dachii is now complete. Take a moment to press down all the folds firmly, ensuring it's as flat and sturdy as possible. A well-made dachii will fly better and last longer during intense matches. The goal of the game is simple. Throw your dachii to flip your opponent's dachii over. It's a game of skill and strategy, offering hours of fun. Enjoy playing this classic game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.